Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best drum kit hardware is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked aspects of a drummer's setup, forming the backbone that supports every cymbal, drum, and accessory, ensuring stability, adjustability, and longevity for countless performances and practice sessions. And while the drums themselves and the cymbals might grab the initial attention, it's the robust and reliable hardware that truly holds everything together, allowing for precise positioning and unwavering support, ultimately contributing to the overall sound and playability of your kit. Number 5. GRIFFIN Percussion TiltPro X Edition Drum Hardware Pack. Whether you're a beginner, a gigging musician, or a seasoned professional, this top-quality, portable drum hardware set is designed to meet all your needs. It includes 4 essential pieces for every drummer. Keep your valuable instruments safe and stable with our specially designed rubber-tipped feet that prevent slipping. The gear tilter system ensures your cymbal stand stays securely in place. This lightweight and portable hardware package makes life easier for musicians on the go. It folds up compactly for easy transport, and memory locks ensure quick, consistent setup every time. This premium quality set is built for outstanding durability, ready to handle daily use. It includes a snare drum stand, a hi-hat stand, a straight cymbal stand, and a boom cymbal stand. We stand behind our products with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a premium 1-year warranty. You can purchase with confidence, knowing we're here to support you. What we like. This pack is incredibly lightweight and folds up compactly, making it a dream for gigging musicians. The memory locks ensure you can set up your kit quickly and consistently every time. If you're always on the move and need a reliable, easy-to-transport hardware set, this is the one for you. What people say. The hardware is sturdy and holds up well during intense playing sessions. Easy to assemble and adjust, making setup a breeze for drummers of all levels. The cymbal stands have a good range of motion, allowing for precise positioning. Number 4. Pearl Drum Set Compact Traveler, PCTK 1810. Introducing the Compact Traveler Drum Kit. It's designed for quick setup in any situation, making it perfect for musicians on the go. Despite its compact size, it features 10-inch snare and 18-inch bass drum frames. These use standard drum heads for a full, rich sound. Tuning is a breeze with its drum key system. You can easily adjust the sound to your preference. When you're done playing, it folds up flat. This makes storage and transport incredibly convenient. It also includes a 3/8 rod. This allows you to easily stack additional percussion instruments, expanding your sonic possibilities. What we like. This is a unique, ultra-compact drum set frame designed for maximum portability. It uses standard drum heads for a full sound and even includes a rod for stacking extra percussion. If you need a minimal setup for quick practice sessions or small, intimate performances where space is extremely limited, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The hardware is very sturdy and well-built, making it a reliable choice for drummers. Easy to set up and adjust, the hardware offers great flexibility for different playing styles. The cymbal stands have a smooth action and hold cymbals securely without slipping. Number 3. Yamaha HW3 Crosstown Hardware Pack. Introducing the Yamaha HW3 Crosstown Hardware Pack. It's designed for the gigging drummer, offering unparalleled lightness and durability for every performance. Experience a 25% to 34% reduction in weight compared to similar hardware. This makes setting up and tearing down your drum kit significantly easier and faster. Crafted with Yamaha's renowned quality, this hardware is built to withstand the rigors of constant use. You can rely on its lasting performance gig after gig. Its modern satin finish offers a classic shine that resists fingerprints and scuffs. Plus, it's designed to never oxidize, maintaining its pristine look over time. Featuring compact channel lock legs with non-slip rubber feet, it effectively absorbs vibrations. This ensures your stands remain firmly in place during your performance. This is the only hardware you'll want to carry in your gear bag for every gig. It simplifies transport and ensures you have reliable equipment wherever you play. Transporting your new hardware is a breeze with the included padded bag. It's designed for easy carrying and even has extra space for additional gear. What we like. Weighing 25 to 34% less than similar hardware, this pack makes setup and teardown a breeze. It's built by Yamaha, so you know it's durable, and features a modern, fingerprint-resistant satin finish. If you're a gigging drummer who values both portability and long-lasting quality, and you want your gear to look great, this is the hardware you'll want to take everywhere. What people say. The hardware is sturdy and well-built, designed to withstand heavy use. The adjustable cymbal stands offer great flexibility for positioning. The bass drum pedal provides smooth and responsive action for fast playing. Number 2. Ludwig 400 Series 5-piece hardware pack. This comprehensive pack includes all the essential parts you need to elevate your drumming experience. You'll be ready for any gig or performance with everything included. Made from high-quality materials and built to last, it features reinforced locking mechanisms for secure positioning. It's designed to stand up to the rigors of heavy use. Easily adjusted to fit your needs, whether you're playing in a small venue or a large stadium. Customize your setup to suit your playing style and the size of your kit. With rubber-tipped feet and a slip-proof positioning system, it's designed to keep your drums safe and secure. Your cymbals will stay in place, even during energetic performances. Designed with the gigging musician in mind, each piece conveniently folds up for easy transport and storage. Take your drumming gear with you with ease, no matter how you travel. What we like. This comprehensive pack offers high-quality construction with robust double-braced legs for maximum stability. It's highly versatile and adjustable, designed to withstand heavy use. If you're looking for a durable, reliable, and adaptable hardware set that can handle demanding performances and frequent use, this Ludwig pack is a solid investment. What people say. The hardware is sturdy and well-built, providing excellent stability for my drum set. The adjustable height and angle features allow for precise positioning of cymbals and drums, enhancing playability. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts fit together perfectly without any issues. Number 1. Yamaha HW 680W Double-Braced Hardware Pack. Introducing the Yamaha HW 680W, a robust double-braced hardware pack designed for stability and reliability. It includes everything you need for your drum setup. Experience enhanced durability with its double-braced construction. This ensures your stands remain steady, even during intense performances. Designed for convenience, its compact form factor makes it easy to transport and set up. This pack offers great versatility for various musical styles. The included chain-type foot pedal provides a smooth and responsive feel. You'll appreciate the consistent action for precise drumming. This comprehensive pack includes essential components like cymbal stands and a hi-hat stand. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for drummers. Trust in Yamaha's renowned quality and engineering. This hardware pack is built to last and perform at the highest level. What we like. This pack features sturdy double bracing for enhanced stability and a compact design for easier handling. It also includes a responsive chain-type foot pedal for a consistent feel. If you're looking for a dependable, no-frills hardware setup with a classic feel, especially if you prefer the action of a chain-driven pedal, this Yamaha pack is a great option. What people say. The hardware is sturdy and holds up well during intense playing sessions. Easy to assemble and adjust, making setup a breeze for drummers of all levels. The cymbal stands have a good range of motion, allowing for precise positioning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.